Hi, sir. Please following the steps as below. So the first is go to your Bluetooth list and unpair the previous Timekettle M2. And then please make sure both of your earbuds is light on, and then put it in the charge case and type the button 4 times quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you're gonna see the yellow light is shining. And then number 3, so after you have do the 4 times setting, you're gonna take it out of your charging case. And the 2 of the earbuds may shining in green, so it's okay. We're gonna pair your left earbuds with the right earbuds together. So what you need to do is hold your earbuds on hand, not put in the charging case. Don't put it in the charging case. So you're gonna click it twice and hold it for 3 seconds. This is very tricky, so let's check it out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you have seen the red light with green light. They're just switching together. So that is what we already done. So I think right now you can connect the earbuds with your Bluetooth. So now let's scan the Bluetooth device, and then you're gonna see there is one Timekettle M2. So click it and click pair for the first time. And there may be another pop-up windows. So you're gonna click the second time for pair. And right now you're gonna see there is 2 Timekettle M2 on the Bluetooth list, but there is only 1 connected. So this is correct. Please never click the second one again. That will make your earbuds in some troubles. And that's all. I think you can try the Timekettle app and enjoy the translation right now. So let's have a look. Da-da, so that is the correct M2 setting. So you have the left and right both connected together with your app. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching.